Your father was killed by LTT. What are your feelings about these people?
I don't have anger or hatred towards anybody. Of course, I lost my father, and for me it was a very difficult time. Do you have a father?
Yes.
He's alive. So, I'm sure many girls here have lost their father. You've lost your father? Yeah? So you know what it feels like. It's like someone has cut your heart out, no? It's like that. So I felt tremendous pain, but I don't feel anger. I don't feel any hatred or any anger. I forgive.
Thank you, sir.
So my question is, even now you shared your pain by the loss of your father. So your
Loss of my father, no, because I still carry my father with me. So, look, understand something. Violence cannot take away anything from you at all. It does not have the power. You can give up something, but violence cannot take anything from you. My father's alive in me. And by the way, a lot of the things that you have heard today, they came to me from my father. So my father is talking through me. So, it's not that my father is not there today.
After many hardships that your family have faced in politics, that is your grandmother, your father, what made you to step back in politics? What gave you the courage to be in politics even after all the hardships you and your family have faced?
See, politics is a lens through which you see me. You see me right now, you're like, oh, he's a politician. But that's just, it's a very small lens. I am a human being, right? As you saw, I'm a cook, right? I can cook. I do many, many different things. But you've been told that I am a politician, and that's the lens with which you see me, right? It's only one of the things that make me. For me, whatever I do, I believe in certain ideas. Okay? Like for example, when she told me that she's not going to be an engineer, this caused me disturbance. I didn't like it, right? I was, why is society not letting her dream? Why is society destroying her dream? So when I see somebody being treated unfairly, I don't like it. It irritates me, and I want to try and do something about it. And I found that this profession that you call politics allows me to do that for many people. And so I do that. I don't think it requires courage. I just go ahead and do it. You know, that's just what I do. And for me, like this conversation I had with you, I'm going away with a lot of understanding that I got from you. You will think that, oh, I came here, gave a speech and left. But I learned from you. I learned many things from you. And I'm going to take that home with me. And I hope that you learned one or two things from me. Yeah. So I think that's what life is about. It's about me respecting you, me listening to you, and then you doing the same, and then us improving both our situation. I don't think that needs courage. No?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.